Okay, welcome back, guys. In this two-click video, I'm going to go over a little script I created to help me ease the pain of connecting to Office 365 environment. So first thing I'm going to do is validate that I have the prerequisite for the script. So I'm going to go ahead and check what modules I have available within PowerShell. Okay, as you can see at this point, I do have the requirement, which is the MS Online module, the Link Online connector, and the last one here is the SharePoint. If you need help on getting this, I did a previous video that has all the information and the link on how to get this module installed on your machine. Okay, so once I have this there, I can go ahead and close this PowerShell window. Then I'm going to go ahead and browse to the download. I have this. I have the file shared online. I'll share it in the blog. So I'm just going to go ahead and download that, and I'm going to go ahead and save it to the temp folder. Perfect. Once that's saved to the temp, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to go ahead and extract the content of that file also to the temp. That should extract two files, the PowerShell file itself and the PowerShell file itself and a shortcut. So normally what I do, I'll just move the shortcut down into the desktop, and then I'll edit the PowerShell. You can just edit it with Notepad. That'll be easier. Okay, there are two things you need to change within the PowerShell. The first, you need to make sure you get your right admin information, which is not really required, but just put there for ease so I don't have to be typing it all the time. The second piece is required to get it correct. It's the URL for your SharePoint Online admin site. It needs that to get connected to that site, so it is required I put the right one there. And that's it. Let's go ahead and close and save. Now once that is saved, all I need to do is click on my little shortcut that I've moved to my desktop. And I will go ahead and say yes to this. That will immediately open up a PowerShell and ask me to connect. So it will say setting credentials for my Office 365 environment. So I'm going to go ahead and type my password for. It already has my username in there. This is why it wasn't required, because if you didn't put anything in there, you now put it in here. But so now I'll go ahead and put in my password and hit OK. This step will take a few minutes as it goes through the connection cycle to connect to Office 365 users, Active Directory basically, and SharePoint and Link. Okay, so it looks like it's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and validate that I indeed connected to all three services. The easiest way to do that is to just run. You can get all the commandlets, but you can just run some basic queries, which I'm going to do. All right, this shows that I'm connected. I'm querying Office 365 for users, for online users. Now I'm going to do a get SharePoint site. Let's see how that goes. Perfect. I'm connected to SharePoint 2. And lastly, I'm going to do for the link online, I'm just going to get some tenant information. Perfect. I'm connected to all three services, so I can do commandlets. See how simple that was. All right. Thank you for listening.